Sanwo Olu, I don't blame you at all. Because from the beginning, you are out. We know what your brother did during the election in Lagos Island. When he was tormenting the people that follow PDP. We have the video all over. But because you are an arrogant governor, this in one way, you passed 2 days earlier. You have been passing wrong way. You have been passing one way in Lagos State. So are you above the law now? People governor like you. Orí ẹ ti dàrú, Sanwo Olu. Orí ẹ ó ti dàrú. Ojú máa tura rí lọ́jọ́ kan, òwe àkàlà.
Ó kọ ọ̀rọ̀ rèé o, ọ̀rọ̀ kùngbákùngbé rèé o. Àgbà sójà kan mà ti fi ohun burúkú ránṣẹ́ sí gọ́vnà Sanwo Olu tèkó. Ṣe rántí nǹkan kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí tí gọ́vnà Sanwo Olu ní kí àwọn AD wọn, àwọn ADC wọn pé kí wọ́n arrest àwọn tí wọ́n wa ọ̀kadà lórí express ní one way tí wọ́n fi mú lance corporal kan, ìyẹn young soldier kan tó ń sọ I'm sorry tí gọ́vnà Sanwo Olu fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé pé ìwọ àá fojú ẹ̀ hàn màbo tí gọ́vnà fi ní kí wọ́n arrest ẹ̀. Now àgbà sójà yìí ti wá respond sórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ lágbára o, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó kà màmá ni. Ó tún wá rán gọ́vnà Sanwo létí àwọn nǹkan kan nípa àwọn nǹkan kan tí wọ́n connect mọ́ tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ìlú Èkó àti gbogbo Nàìjíríà pátápátá. Ìbéèrè tẹ́ ń béèrè ni pé ṣé nǹkan tí sójà yìí ṣe ṣó dáa ni? Ṣé nǹkan tí gọ́vnà Sanwo Olu ṣe kò dáa ni? Kí ló wá dé tí àgbà sójà yìí fi jáde láti wá sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kùngbákùngbé tí wọ́n sọ sí odidi gómìnà ìlú Èkó gọ́vnà Sanwo Olu? Ẹja gbọ́ bó ṣe jẹ́. Welcome to Nigerian. Remember to like, share and follow us. Kí ni Sanwo Olu sọ tó bí àgbà sójà yìí nínú tí àgbà sójà yìí fi jáde? Ẹ wo fọ́nrán ibi tí Sanwo Olu ti ní kí wọ́n mú àwọn sójà, àwọn tó ń wa ọ̀kadà lórí one way tí wọ́n sì arrest young soldier kan tó jẹ́ lance corporal. Ẹ já wò.
Then your father come arrest, let me come arrest you. I'm a soldier, Ogasa. That's even the more reason. That's even the more reason I'm going to lock you up. That's even the more reason. You're telling me you're a soldier. That's even the more reason I'm going to lock you up. Get down there, very sorry, sir. Get in down there. Very sorry, sir. This boy, you're telling me you're a soldier. Just take 4 of them. Damn, lock him up. Telling me you're a soldier. Put him there.
Òun nìyẹn o. Fídíò yìí ló fa ọ̀rọ̀ tí àgbà sójà yìí fi wá ṣọwọ́ sí odidi gọ́vnà ìlú Èkó pé tí wọ́n bá tiẹ̀ wá ń dínwó alágbàfọ̀ kò máa yẹ àtọ̀ọ́lẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ tí sójà yìí sọ, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ kẹ́ wá sọ ohun tẹ́ ẹ rò lórí ẹ̀ fún mi.
That was a Governor Sanwo Olu, the executive governor of Lagos State. You across some Okada riders that go through the wrong way. What the Okada rider did is say good. No, it's not good. They are passing the wrong way. And as a governor, what you did is right. But see a serving military officer that introduced himself to you, a lance corporal, a young soldier that was sent on an errand. And he was unfortunately, he climbed that Okada. And he was begging you, Mr. Governor, he was begging you that I'm sorry, sir. I'm a soldier. I'm sorry. What do you expect that young guy to say? But because you're an arrogant governor, this in one way, you passed 2 days earlier. You have been passing wrong way. You have been passing one way in Lagos State. So are you above the law now? The last corporal guy that you arrest there, he has been shot in Bronu. He has a sling in his arm, an iron. He has an iron here. These are the people that fight the terrorists, the bandits that you and your co-workers, you are sponsoring them. And he's just begging you. And you are insulting his father. Go and call your father. This one going to lock you up. Stupid boy. A governor. I don't blame you. Sanwo Olu, I don't blame you at all. Because from the beginning, you are out. We know what your brother did during the election in Lagos Island. When he was tormenting the people that follow PDP. We have the video all over. Most of us are serving in the UN. Some are in Sambisa Forest. Some are in Bronu. Christmas Day, people were killing Bokos. None of you say anything. But a soldier that did a mistake by climbing Okada that go through the wrong way. And he was begging you. Let me cast your mind back, Mr. Governor. But Fashola was a governor before you. He arrested a colonel, a redneck in the Nigerian army, for passing the bus lane. He did it with a humility as a man who is well educated, not a thought like you. Everybody deserves second chance. You should have told that guy, oh, you are an officer, you should know better. Okay, don't do it again. That is the reason why I'm asking you. That's the reason I'm arresting you. See, you're talking like a mubo. Ori e ti daru, ori e. Ori e o ti daru. You want to call him a governor? Àwọn táàtù tó ń lò nígboro Èkó tó ń da Èkó rú, they destroy Lagos. Ó arrest wọn. Ó arrest wọn rárá. Sójà ló ń arrest and you ló ń káká sókè. Kí ló dé? You should be ashamed of yourself, Sanwo Olu. But let me remind you, your 4 years will soon be finished now. Do whatever you like. Torment people of Lagos State. Where's my own governor today? Where's Akeredolu today? You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Nigerian soldiers are all over the world. We are in UN. We are everywhere. We're serving the nation to make the country proud. People die in Sambisa Forest. People die in Bronu. People die in Plateau. Everywhere, soldiers are being killed. And the same soldier. I don't blame you at all. If a dirty, bloody civilian like you, because you are chief executive of a state, you are above the law yourself. How many times have you gone through the wrong way? How many times have you gone through the wrong way in Lagos? So you are above the law, right? A young soldier. Check him. He has been shot here. He has an iron. Look at the boy you love. He has an iron in his hand. He has been under my command before. He's just a young soldier. And you make the life that the whole world is about to crack. Nobody is afraid of you. If you lock me, we'll release him, right? Stupid governor like you. Ori e ti daru, Sanwo Olu. Ori e ti daru. Ojú ma turari lọ́jọ́ kan, òwe àkàlà. Mo ní Babangida wà lẹ́ni. Mo ní gbogbo wọn wà lẹ́ni. Àsìkò ẹ̀ ń bọ̀. Ṣé wọ́n sọ pé ó ti yí lórí tẹ́lẹ̀? Àǹbọ̀dé ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀ ti dàrú tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó náà ti gbé ẹ lọ Bariga General Hospital. Ó dẹ̀ ti wá ṣó ẹ̀. Pọ́pọlọ ẹ̀ ò pé, orí ẹ̀ ò pé rárá. Stupid idiot, I don't have time for you. Stupid fool.
Ojú àtúrà rí òwe àkàlàmàgbò. Òun náà ni àgbà sójà yìí máa sọ. Òwe tán parẹ́ o. Kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ yìí? Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.